Right guys, this is the paint mixer, and this is the old paint that I want to sort of demonstrate, because it's old. I don't know how. Yeah, I think you can probably mix that up anyway with your hands, but that's besides the point. The point is that I'm pretty chuffed with this thing. I got the idea from YouTube. In fact, entirely from YouTube, because I had no idea. Anyway, so here it is. I just thought I'd share. Did it even work? Maybe. Maybe this one's just beyond salvaging. We shall see. Oh, it is, you know. How long can I make this video? Oh. Sorry. Am I sorry? Yeah. Okay, well, I'm going for it again. I guess just do it for longer. Look at that, I landed on the right way. That might have made a difference, I'm not sure. Okay, there you go. That did work. I don't know how long that would have taken me normally, but you've just managed to watch 2 minutes worth, so... Anyway, it's pretty easy how you do it. I just had this thing, which I bought 2 of. Interestingly, it was actually too thick to fit in here. So I just filed it down with a Dremel, and then it fit easily, and now it just holds. It's super worth it if you have a jigsaw lying around.